So yesterday we completed the chapter Palampur. I hope you are enjoying the chapter because the kind of discussions we are having on the online session, it is really giving me a very positive output. So after completing the chapter, here we have the questions answers. I told you that I'll be discussing it tomorrow. So today I am here with the question answers. A complete summary of the chapter is given here. I hope you all have gone through it. If you have not gone through it, please go through it. I have already discussed it in my last video. So we start with the first question. Sorry. Yes. Every village in India is surveyed once in 10 years during the census, and some of the details are presented in the following format. Fill up the following based on information on Palampur. So location, total area of the village, land use in hectares, then you have the facilities, the blank space is given here. Now we discuss about the answer. Children, all the answers are given there in your book, but just for your reference that you feel comfortable, I'm just discussing the answer. Irrigated area in Palampur is 200 total. First we'll talk about location. It is near Bulandshahr, western Uttar Pradesh. Total area of village is 226 hectares, and land use, that is in hectares. Just see the blank that is given here. How much land is used for irrigation, cultivated land and unirrigated? So irrigated land is 200 hectares. Unirrigated land, the details are not mentioned there. So you can just once go through it. एक बारी देखो, अगर if you get the answer, you will be getting it. And then land not available for cultivation. So 26 hectares. It's already given. So irrigated may we have 200 hectares. Unirrigated may we don't have much informations. But still I would reiterate, please go through it. Educational facilities, children, that is found in Palampur. One high school, two primary schools. Okay, so that is the educational facility. Medical, one private space. This all answer is given in the first and the second page of the chapter, children. If you'll go through it, you will easily find it. One private dispensary, one primary healthcare center run by the government. And market, yes, very clearly it is mentioned here. I have discussed it so many times in my in the lecture. Two markets are there, Raiganj and Shahpur. So you just write it down. Raiganj and Shahpur are the main markets. Electric supply, most of the houses have electricity connections. Electricity power is there. All the tube wells are and is used for a small business also, means good electricity facility is provided there. Communication, yes, it is very well connected because the roads are good. In Palampur, the roads are good. That's why. Well connected neighboring villages, and Raiganj is there within 3 kilometers. Proper transportation is there, including bullock carts, tonga, bogie. This is a communication, you will find it in the last paragraph, second last paragraph rather. Bullock carts, tongas, bogies carrying jaggery, motor vehicles are also there like motorcycle and all. Jeep, tractors and trucks are available for easy transportation. That is there. Okay, children, please mention about it. And all these answers, children, you have to write it down in the notebook. Now every time the students are asking how many notebooks, how many notebooks, children, right now you are not going out, you are there at home. So whatever notebooks are available, please do that. Do in that, there is no problem at all. Got it? So you have to check it out, that you complete all these answers in the notebook whichever is available at your home. Second question, modern farming methods require more inputs which are manufactured in industry. Do you agree? Yeah. Modern farming methods require more inputs because it is manufactured in the industry. It is modern farming methods use high yield variety of seeds and seeds require both chemical fertilizer, pesticide, agricultural implementations like tractors and proper irrigation facilities. Electric tube wells are also needed. So these are all manufactured in industry, which shows that modern farming methods are very clearly used there in Palampur. So this is there. How now? Third question: how did the spread of electricity help farmers in Palampur? Children, it was again given. I think the third or the fourth page. Spread of electricity. Farmers used Persian wheel to draw water. वो नहीं जो चक्का चलता है और उसमें डब्बा लगे होते हैं, पानी उसमें से निकलता है. So but now what happened, electricity आने के वजह से क्या हो गया, even the small farmers also they are taking loan from the bank and they are setting up their own tube wells. जितना ज़्यादा पानी होगा agriculture and खेती उतनी अच्छी होगी. Try to understand this thing. So it replaced these Persian wheels and first tube well was installed by the government. उसके बाद तो later on private tube wells were also there. 200 hectares of irrigated field, that's why is done very properly. Okay, I hope it is clear. Is it important to increase the area under irrigation? Just see the fourth question. Yes, it is important because population of India, maximum part of population in India, only less than 40% of land is cultivable in the country. So what happens, farmers are dependent on monsoon season. सारे टाइम बारिश का वेट करते रहते हैं farmers. So we have to see that farmers are facing lot of losses. तो एरिया अंडर इरिगेशन अगर बढ़ाना है तो वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी वी हैव टू इंक्रीज. It would give better output and make more land cultivable in India. And also it will encourage farmers to take up newer farming methods without suffering any losses. The farmers can be very comfortable. Okay, so area under cultivation needs to be increased. Now we come to the question, children. Construct a table. Children, you have to make the table on the distribution of land among the 450 families. Remember the table that was there जहाँ पे कि वो एक picture was made. Yes. So 450 families of Palampur area of land that is cultivated. Zero number of families are 150. Less than 2 hectares 240 families are working, and more than 2 hectares 60 families are working. Got it? Just check out the informations that is given there. I think the informations are given there on page number 5 or 6. Please find it out and then you can make this table very easily. Sixth question, children. What are the wages for farm laborers in Palampur? Why are? Because the farm laborers who are paid less than the minimum wages in Palampur, government said that farm laborers को 300 रुपए मिलने चाहिए. Remember I discussed it in one of my videos. But the competition that is there, इतने लोग unemployed है ना, that people are ready to work in 100 rupees, 80 rupees में भी काम करने के लिए तैयार है. So people agree to work for lower wages because you will give the answer because of unemployment, high level of unemployment. Children, then we come to question number 7. In your region, talk to 2 laborers, choose either farm laborers. अभी ये एक्टिविटी है चिल्ड्रन. व्हेन द स्कूल विल रीओपन देन विल डू दिस एक्टिविटी. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 को भी छोड़ दो, जस्ट लीव इट. डोंट डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 राइट नाउ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशंस. हमेशा पूछा जाता है. What are the different ways of increasing production on the same piece of land? How will you increase the production? So yes children, we have already discussed multiple cropping and increasing production के लिए on a piece of land multiple cropping. Palampur में it is very well done. इसके बाद पहले सीजन में क्या करते हैं, they grow ज्वार and बाजरा, okay, during the rainy season. Then they grow in October and December, they grow potato. उसके बाद ड्यूरिंग द विंटर सीजन दे सो वीट. तो मेन रीज़न फॉर दिस इज इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज आर वेरी गुड. डिस्क्राइब द वर्क ऑफ अ फार्मर विथ 1 hectare ऑफ लैंड. सो 1 हेक्टेयर ऑफ लैंड जिसके पास है, ही वुड बी अ स्मॉल फार्मर. अभी चिल्ड्रन स्मॉल फार्मर की डिटेल्स पूरी दी हुई है. इट इज़ वेरी वेल गिवन इन वन ऑफ द पेजेस. देखना पेज 6 और 7 में इट इज़ गिवन. यू कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू इट वंस. And money is borrowed from money lender at high interest rate. एक बारी farm is cultivated, the produce has to be divided for personal use and for selling in the market. So whatever profit is earned by the farmers are earning good number of profit. They have to give it away to the money lenders, and little money is left for the use of farmer himself. So the farmers who are working on 1 hectare of land, they are facing lot of problems. एक ही लोग हैं जो कि फार्मर्स को हेल्प कर पाते हैं, हिज फैमिली मेम्बर्स. फैमिली मेम्बर्स आर ऑलवेज देयर टू हेल्प हिम. Okay, now we come to the 10th question, children. How do the medium and large farmers obtain capital for farming? Medium and how is it different from the small farmers? Large और medium farmers वो क्या करते हैं? They sell the surface farm products. ठीक है. सपोज 50 kg ऑफ राइस है, 50 kg ऑफ व्हीट है, तो पहले तो कुछ अपने पास रखते हैं. पार्ट ऑफ अर्निंग इज सेव्ड एंड केप्ट फॉर बाइंग द कैपिटल फॉर नेक्स्ट सीजन. एंड बाकी के लोग क्या करते हैं? दे गिव अवे द सेविंग टू स्मॉल फार्मर्स एंड लोन्स एट हाई इंटरेस्ट रेट. और उसके बाद दे गेट द स्मॉल अमाउंट बाय द नेक्स्ट सीजन. सो दे आर एबल टू अरेंज फॉर कैपिटल फॉर फार्मिंग फ्रॉम देयर ओन सेविंग्स. सम फार्मर्स माइट ऑल्सो यूज़ द सेविंग टू बाई कैटल. कभी कभी दे यूज़ क्या करते हैं वो फार्मर्स, मीडियम और लार्ज फार्मर्स जो कैपिटल ऑब्टेन करते हैं, उनके पास वो पैसा कहाँ से आता है? दैट इज़ द क्वेश्चन. तो अगेन इन द थर्ड और फोर्थ लास्ट पैराग्राफ में यू विल बी ईजिली गेटिंग द आंसर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ वी कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. सविता वाला है चिल्ड्रन. रिमेंबर सविता वाला पॉइंट था, उसमें से देख के आप ये आंसर आराम से कर सकते हो. ऑन व्हाट टर्म्स डिड सविता गेट लोन फ्रॉम तेजपाल सिंह एंड वुड कंडीशन बी डिफरेंट इफ शी कुड गेट अ लोन फ्रॉम बैंक. तो अभी आप इसमें बताओ, तेजपाल सिंह ने उसको 24% इंटरेस्ट रेट पे ही हैज़ गिवन द लोन फॉर 4 months एंड शी has to work on the land of Tejpal Singh as a farm laborer. She would be getting 100 rupees per day. तो सविता अगर लोन ले लेती बैंक से तो शी वुड हैव बीन मोर इनटू अ कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन. लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं. इट डिड नॉट हैपन लाइक दैट एंड शी हैड टू पे कंप्लीट अटेंशन. अगर बैंक से लोन लेती ना तो शी वुड हैव बीन एबल टू पे कंप्लीट अटेंशन टू हर ओन फील्ड. उसको किसी के लिए फिर काम नहीं करना है ना, मजदूरी नहीं करनी थी, वो अपना काम खुद कर पाती. दैट वॉज द कंडीशन ऑफ सविता. ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 चिल्ड्रन. अभी आपको कहीं बाहर नहीं जाना है, इसलिए आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 नहीं करेंगे. टॉक टू सम ओल्ड रेसिडेंट्स इन योर रीजन. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है किसी से बात करने की, अपने अपने घर में बंद होके बैठे रहो. नॉन फार्म प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटीज़ चिल्ड्रन, इट वॉज वेरी क्लियरली मैंशनड हियर. जस्ट सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. नॉन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटीज़ क्या क्या था मैं एक बार ही बता देती हूँ, आप बाकी बुक में से देख लेना. Dairy, transportation, general stores, fishing and mining. Dairy, transportation, general stores, fishing and mining. Non-farm production, what can be done? Last question हम कर रहे हैं children. 14th question. What can be done so that more and non-farm production activities can be increased? तो सबसे पहले तो लोन मस्ट बी अवेलेबल फॉर पीपल एट लोअर इंटरेस्ट. बैंक जाना चाहिए उनको लोन लेने के लिए. वो साहूकार के पास एंड मनी लेंडर के पास चले जाते हैं पैसे लेने के लिए, तो वहाँ पे फंस जाते हैं. मार्केट्स लगानी चाहिए जहाँ पे कितनी बार क्या होता है वो अपना क्रॉप्स तो ग्रो कर लेते हैं बट दे डिड नॉट नो कहाँ पे लेके जाना है, कितने पैसे में बेचना है, ये नहीं पता था. एंड अथॉरिटीज़ जो हैं, कंसर्न अथॉरिटीज़ जो हैं, इनको दे शुड सेट अप बेटर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन बिटवीन सिटीज़ विलेजेस, जिससे कि गुड्स कैन बी ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू सिटीज़ एंड मोर मनी कैन बी अर्नड थ्रू नॉन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटीज़. खाली फार्मिंग पे और एग्रीकल्चर पे ध्यान नहीं देना है, बाकी की चीज़ों पे भी ध्यान देना है. Got it children? So I have discussed all the questions. In case you have any doubts children, you can definitely get back to me. I am ending this chapter here. Next the chapter that we'll be starting would be pol science. Economics का एक chapter हो गया. Now we start with pol science. Okay children, thank you so much and God bless you all.